hair fall, dandruff, rough hair, damaged hair? Then do watch our video till end. I would be giving a tip for this problem. Hi, hello and welcome back to our channel, Beauty Sisters. So talking about today's video, I have come up with a new brand called as The Beauty and Co. It's not that new. They have already successfully completed 1 year of their journey in this beauty field. Let me tell you one thing, this is not a promotional video, not a sponsored video, it's just our own review about the products of this brand. I have already used this product for about 2 to 2.5 months, so you will be getting a genuine review about the products. And after using these products for 2 to 2.5 months, I am in love with this brand. If you haven't yet watched our previous video, then do check it out. I would be linking it in the description box or in the I button. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Product is this face scrub which is of Beauty and Co, and it is a chocolate and coffee flavored. This is a very good product for scrubbing your face. It has Robusta coffee seed powder and the walnut powder. In this, coffee face scrubs I have heard they have small granules of sand and all, but it doesn't have. It removes blackheads, whiteheads and tan of your skin. Sometimes कहीं बाहर जाके आने पे थोड़ा little tan you can feel. For that, it's the best solution. If you scrub your skin with this, it will give you a beautiful glowing skin. It has cocoa powder and natural oils in it. So इसकी वजह से क्या होता है, if there are aging signs on your skin or little tan on your skin, then it will remove the tan and it will reveal the natural glow of the skin. So now talking about how to use the product, you have to know some normal dust. अभी if you are coming from outside, so जो भी dust and dirt है और फिर makeup है वो तुम्हें remove करना है, washing your face up with normal water, and then just take a blob of it and just apply, avoid this eye region, and little smoothly massage it in circular motion in the forehead or the most tanned regions, then you can wash it off. And if you feel that it's too creamy, it's actually very creamy, after washing your face you will have a very creamy texture on your face. If you want to avoid that, you can even use a face wash जो इसके बाद दिखाएंगे हम लोग, तो you can even use that. It's actually best for the oily skins and all type of skins. So next beautiful product from this brand is this coffee and chocolate flavored face wash. I am in love with this face wash, Let me tell you my one personal experience with this face wash. Actually मेरा skin काफ़ी oily है, तो मेरे skin पे कोई भी face wash आज तक तो काम नहीं किया, उल्टा मुझे और acne और pimples आ जाते थे. This is a very first face wash जो मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा सूट किया है मेरे skin पे. I am in love with this face wash, ये इसका smell काफ़ी मस्त है, मुझे एकदम खा जाने का मन करता है. ये प्रोडक्ट इतना पसंद आया कि मैंने इसके बाद और 2 मंगा लिए इसकी. I am in so love with this face wash, So now talking about its features, it deeply cleanses your skin and eliminates the toxins present on your skin surface, making the skin soft. It contains aloe vera extract, जिसकी वजह से आपका स्किन काफ़ी सॉफ्ट रहेगा और टैन भी नहीं होएगा और इरिटेशन भी नहीं होएगा स्किन पे. इसका एक काफ़ी एडवांटेज क्या है, it reduces skin aging. So now talking about how to use this product. Firstly, wet your skin. फिर उसके बाद ये प्रोडक्ट का 2 से 3 ही बूंद लेना, ज़्यादा नहीं लेना, इतना ही काम कर जाएगा. So उसके बाद apply it on your skin and gently massage in a circular motion, avoiding the eye area. But that's it, you're good to go. And one more tip, I would suggest use this product twice a day for better results. Next product is Beauty and Co का sunscreen. It is of SPF 50 and ये water resistant है. Since this is water resistant, तो ऐसे wash off नहीं हो जाएगा पसीने में and all, and it protects your skin doubly from the ultraviolet rays, and it even has this UVA and UVB and PA++. So it comes in a packet of 100 ml. Sunscreens जो आता है SPF 50 जो आता है वो काफ़ी costly आता है, पर this Beauty and Co का sunscreen जो SPF 50 के साथ आता है, but this is affordable actually. So and it even has this cucumber extract and aloe vera extract, तो आपकी allergy and all suiting कई skins को suit नहीं करना है और ये बिल्कुल नहीं रहेगा. About how to So now talking about how to use, You have to just dot the lotion on your skin and apply it in the circular motion, massage just lightly, avoid the eye area and leave it rested for 10 minutes from stepping out of your house. This will protect your skin from harsh sun rays.
टिप टाइम। हेयर फॉल, डैंड्रफ, डैमेज्ड हेयर, रफ हेयर, स्प्लिट एंड्स, सारे प्रॉब्लम्स का सॉल्यूशन है ब्यूटी एंड को का 3-in-1 ABC हेयर ऑयल। ABC का मतलब है आलमंड ब्रिंगराज कोकोनट हेयर ऑयल। As the name ABC says, it has almond bringraj coconut oil and it's a blend of amla oil and carrot seed oil, जिसकी वजह से हेयर फॉल और काफी सारे हेयर प्रॉब्लम्स बहुत ज्यादा कम होते हैं। It works efficiently on reducing scalp problems, scalp irritation, hair fall, rough hair, damaged hair and even many more hair problems. I'm telling ये प्रोडक्ट काफी ज्यादा अच्छा है। इसका MRP है अराउंड 400, बट यू नो ब्यूटी एंड को का सेल चालू है, उस पर ऑलरेडी 30% का सेल चल रहा है एंड प्लस यू विल बी गेटिंग 10% ऑफ ऑन प्रीपेड ऑर्डर्स। सो इन शॉर्ट यू विल बी गेटिंग 40% ऑफर। सो उसमें यू विल बी गेटिंग दिस फॉर अराउंड 210 और मैक्स टू मैक्स 250। सो यार अपने बालों पे एटलीस्ट 250 तो खर्चा कर ही सकते हो ये। So now talking about how to use this product, इतना भी कुछ रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है इसमें। You just have to put it on your scalp areas and gently massage on your hair. ज़्यादा भी रफली मसाज नहीं करना चाहिए, इससे हेयर बहुत डैमेज होता है। I have seen many people जो एकदम हार्शली मसाज करते हैं। नो, ऐसा कभी नहीं करना चाहिए। जेंटली मसाज करो, do it twice a week और उसके बाद you can wash your hair with any of the shampoo. You would be seeing better results, I'm telling you.
ब्यूटी एंड को में 30% ऑफ चालू है, विद दैट प्रीपेड ऑर्डर्स पर 10% ऑफ है, इन टोटल 40% ऑफ है। गो चेक इट आउट। ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, गो चेक इट आउट। हम आते हैं एवरी फ्राइडे एक नया वीडियो के साथ।
डू कमेंट डाउन बिलो योर फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो एंड ऑल्सो टेल अस आप कौन से ब्रांड का रिव्यू चाहते हो। एंड इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर